Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss about determination of magnesium. Let us see the principle. So in the alkaline solution from which the calcium and iron have been removed, we can precipitate the magnesium as magnesium ammonium phosphate. This precipitate is dissolved in acid and the amount of phosphorus is determined colorimetrically, and then magnesium can be calculated. These are the reagents we need for determination of magnesium. They are ammonium oxalate, methyl red indicator, 2% ammonium phosphate solution, 10% ammonium hydroxide solution, 0.1 normal HCl, molybdic acid solution, 2% hydroquinone solution, 10% sodium sulfide solution, and potassium dihydrogen phosphate. Let's move on to the procedure. So measure 10 ml of ash solution, that is mineral solution, in 15 ml graduated centrifuge tube. In that 10 ml of ash solution, add 1 drop of methyl red indicator and neutralize it with ammonium hydroxide. Later on, add 1 ml of ammonium oxalate and make the solution to volume of 13 ml using distilled water. Mix it and allow it to stand overnight. Next day, centrifuge for 10 minutes and discard the precipitate. From the supernatant, measure 1 ml of the liquid in the centrifuge tube. Then add 3 ml of water, 1 ml of ammonium phosphate and 2 ml of ammonium hydroxide. Mix it and allow it to stand for overnight. Now next day, centrifuge for 7 minutes and discard the supernatant liquid. Dry the precipitate by placing the tube in the container of hot water bath. Then add 1 ml of dilute HCl and 5 ml of distilled water to dissolve the precipitate. In that, add 1 ml of molybdic acid solution, 0.5 ml of sodium sulfide solution, 0.5 ml of hydroquinone. Mix and allow it to stand for 30 minutes. Now transfer this solution to a colorimeter tube and read the absorbance in a colorimeter using number 66 red filter and set the instrument scale at 0 with water. Now for preparation of standard curve, dissolve 0.4389 gram of potassium dihydrogen phosphate in water and make up the volume to 1 liter. To prepare a standard curve, use the aliquots of standard solution from 0.1 to 0.5 ml and treat each aliquot as directed in last 2 steps in the procedure. So by this way, preparing the standard curve, we can estimate the magnesium content in the food sample. Thank you.